Hello, friend. Welcome to my YouTube channel, DevOps with Anil. In previous video, I have explained you how to create Docker registry container in local machine and how to upload the image into the local Docker registry. Now, today I am going to explain you how we can do with the same thing in a remote Docker registry. So let me explain you first what I am trying to do that and how we can achieve with any other Docker registry in the same process. We need to do the here as well. Whatever I am doing here today, the same process it can be worked on different Docker registry like AWS have ECR, Elastic Container Registry. JFrog is another tool where we can upload our Docker images. Nexus is also one of the software where we can upload our Docker images. Same as GCP, Google Cloud Platform, Azure Cloud Platform, any big cloud platform we can upload our Docker registry. So I'm going to use Docker Hub and I will show you how to do that in each and every steps. First of all, let me explain you what is the thing I am trying to do today. So let me create quickly. This is our host machine. Okay. So here, what are the things we are going to do? Basically, here first we are going to create a simple create a simple Docker file. Next step. Next step would be build Docker image using Docker file. Next step, let me put in the bullet point. Next, tag Docker image with specific to private registry. Fourth, Docker login. Use Docker login command to authenticate registry server. Docker push image with tag image with tag. Okay, these are the steps we need to perform it. In where we need to perform these steps, we need to perform it uh, basically in our host. Host host machines. Okay. And what else? We are going to use basically create account, Docker Hub account, Docker Hub account. We will going to I'm going to create Docker Hub account for creating that. Then once the account is created, then we are going to create a repository, private repository, private, not repository, registry, registry, private registry. Okay, inside that, and when we are use the login thing, it will going to connect with this repository. Docker login will going to use when we execute Docker login. Docker login, we are going to log in with this account. Okay, so let's start it to do these steps. First, let us create the Docker account quickly. So for that, we need to jump into the Google Docker Hub. So if you don't have account, then you need to go via sign up. So here need to be to sign up. I'm continue with login Google. I'm going to use my Gmail ID. Continue. Username will be let me use username as the one which is my mail ID. Sorry for the intervention. Okay, log in here, get set up with Docker. Oh, we need to select with the build cloud. Choose profile. Yes. Oh, it's asking for credit card. Sorry. This is I came a cloud of a Docker. It's I think it not required for this one. Docker Hub. Create repository. Patel is the name space. Repository name. Let me say the repository user underscore nginx. I'm going to create a repository of this one. Okay, So description, um, okay, custom, and Nginx. Okay. Only one private repository I can create because it is privately and it need to be pay for that. So free I can create one, but I'm using publicly right now. uh, it can be accessed anyone if I upload it, anyone can access it from Docker-hub. I will show you in the Docker-hub without my login. We will able to see my image over there. Okay, so create it publicly. I have created, not private. Okay, and tags are incomplete. This repository does not have category. uh, Internet of Things, let me put anything, it doesn't matter. So right now I haven't upgraded anything, so it is not showing anything here it is saying showing this one. Now I need to create Docker login, docs, system console, my profile. I have a username but I don't have password because I have logged in from. Let us directly use Docker login first. In here in the terminal, Docker login, username Patel 305, Anil, password, edit profile. Let me try to change it password. I can change password by reset. It will come into the email basically. Congratulations, verified sign in. No, it didn't receive that. Let me check if I receive. Yeah, reset password received. Reset password. Okay. Actually, I am logged in here only and I'm trying to reset it. That's the reason it is not giving me the option. So let me log out and try to forget the password. Okay. So Patel 305 Anil. Continue password, forget password. Continue. Check the mail. This one is the latest one. Yeah, let me create the password. Don't worry, I will change my password. So now I need to use the same password over here. Yeah, login succeed means I am able to connect with my Docker repository. So let me log in again quickly. Patel 305 Anil. Okay, so here again I need to go Docker hub. Here Patel and this one here right now nothing is there, no tag, nothing, because I didn't push yet. So Docker login is there now. Need to check our documentation, create a simple file. So let me create a file. Notepad plus plus. So here I'm going to create, oh sorry, not Notepad plus plus, let me use the existing one I have the previously I have stored in my machine. D drive, study, Docker, VS Code. So yeah. Code dot I'm interested on this one. Basically, instead of busybox I can use nginx, because I can use busybox as well in the name of nginx, but it is good to have nginx only in the name of nginx image. So I'm nothing going to change anything else. Only thing is that this one, and I am going to remove this add. Okay, so now I need to build this image, need to save it, and we need to navigate this path. So I'm not going to navigate it, I'm directly building from here. Clear. First let us see Docker images. Yes. Okay, so I have images, these three images, nginx and this one if you remember, I have uploaded the last video, so I can show you in the browser as well. My Docker is still running, so here that image is uploaded. Docker ps. So first let me show you the my container is running, which I have created last time. So this is running still, and the upload images in the browser, if I refresh it, that is running on 5000. This is the path of to check that registry, what are the images are running, images are uploaded. So today I am again creating user nginx, but with this one. So I need to make sure the tag will be this type. Only the tag name I can change it, but other than that I need to make sure that the image name should be like this. So let us first build the image. What is the building image command? Is that docker build hyphen t, anything name we can provide it, xyz. Let me put like this, xyz underscore nginx colon, because it is a custom build, so it can be anything name, and even it is the same build, if you are tagging it you can change it, so no problem with that. So I am not going to pass anything. It will be create by default latest, and then dot will be okay. So first of all, I need to make sure that I am in a correct path, because right now my Docker file is present on a busy box. So I need to move into the cd busybox server, busybox. Now again I need to just type again docker build -t xyz underscore nginx, then dot. It will going to create the new image for me with the name of xyz. Yeah, it's building now. See, even I didn't pass anything in the tag initially. By default, Docker, what it is doing is that it is trying to naming of that image is docker.io slash library slash xyz underscore nginx. So this is going to be doing itself, because it is trying to do that. Okay, now what we need to do that now, we need to check first clear docker images. So xyz is created with this, and the timing is this. It is a custom one. It is nothing have that, only text file I added it, and then argument, and then this. Nothing else we have done it fancy over here. Just I am demonstrating the Docker registry. So now what need to be done? We need to follow the building, create a Docker sample Docker file. It's done. Build Docker image using Docker file. Done. We need to tag the Docker image with a specific private repository. Even though I am calling private, but in the Docker hub, what we have created is that we have created a public, because private only I can create one. So I am using the public one for now. So for tagging, what we need to use first, Patel, my username, and then image name, then tag name, anything it can be. If I don't pass, by default it will be a latest. So let me first do with a without any name, without any tag name. Okay, so docker, sorry, docker tag, which image I want to tag it, that xyz underscore nginx. Okay, and then what I want to tag with this. So I am not passing the host, but still it will docker.io, it will add it automatically when we tag it, and when we are trying to push it, it will automatically docker will add by itself. Okay, so now again we can check docker images. So this tag is created, okay, with the latest one. So let us we already docker login command is used. So existing credential it checked and logged in work. Okay, now I need to just pushing the command. We need to use this one till here, because we didn't pass the tag, so still we don't need a tag, because it by default it picked the latest. Whatever the image we have created, we need to pass over here. Either we can pass like this latest, or either we can remove it, because latest will pick automatically. So this time I am going to use like this, so that you can see that it work both ways for in case of latest only, but other than latest it is not going to work. So it is preparing it, and it is able to push that. I can show you over here as well. Reload that. The latest images came a few seconds. Push, and this image you can find it in Docker Hub as well. So how you can find that Docker Hub? Simply let me use other browser for the sake of knowing that I am not logged in on that Docker Hub. So let me show you I am not logging over here. Docker Hub. See here I am not logged in. So what I need to search here is that Patel 305 Anil slash user and user underscore. Let me search like this only. What it come? No, it is not coming. Then slash. No, it's not coming. I need to put, because my first image is there and no download is there, so that's why the reason of not able to search. User underscore nginx. This time it should be able to pick that. See, this is 2 minutes ago updated. No one is downloaded yet because I just uploaded it. We can see here, and the tags, there is only one tag available, and for that, for pulling the image, just people need to be this command docker pull this, so they are able to download in their machine in Docker engine. Okay, hopefully you got the everything. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you.